Hazali mentioned about health as look at the greenery is the cause of health and wellness. Not eating breakfast or suffering from any grief or worry makes a person grow old quickly. Rasulullah said, eat dinner, even a fistful of dates, because on leaving dinner, a person soon becomes old. The poisonous substance on the fruit is to protect the fruit from the insects that are harmful to the human body. So first wash it and then use. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Ali, tasting salt before and after food prevents a person from many diseases, and eating less makes the heart lighter. According to Surah Abasa, ayat number 24 to 32, فَلْيَنْظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ إِلَىٰ طَعَامِهِ أَنَّا صَبَبْنَا الْمَاءَ صَبًّا ثُمَّ شَقَقْنَا الْأَرْضَ شَقًّا فَأَنبَتْنَا فِيهَا حَبًّا وَعِنَبًا وَقَضْبًا وَزَيْتُونًا وَنَخْلًا وَحَدَائِقَ غُلْبًا وَفَاكِهَةً وَأَبًّا مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ. Let people then consider their food, how we poured down rain in abundance and meticulously split the earth open for sprouts, causing grain to grow in it, as well as grapes and greens and olives and palm trees and dense orchards and fruit and fodder, all as a means of sustenance for you and your animals. In these above mentioned Ayat Majida, there is important knowledge of nutrition and dietitian about fruit, raw vegetables, and mevajat. He said, use cucumber, that is, khira and kakadi. In summer, there arises a stomach pain on eating fruit after drinking excessive water. There is a famous proverb, Al Aklu Salimu fil Jismi Salim. A sound body keeps sound mind. Imam Zainul Abidin prayed about health as Allahumma awjidni halawat al afiyati wa azikni bardas salama. Ya Allah, grant me the pleasantness of health.